What's up, everyone? How's everyone doing? Make sure this music's not too loud. Subjat B, Rep, Het, Fireman, the Muffin Man, Flip Coins. What's everyone up to today? He says Jasmine and Bitcoin Cash still on track for more bullish upside. I'm underwater. Yeah, the whole market's not doing good today, but we're still holding up. But yeah, Jasmine here. ALGO pulled back. Everything's pulling back right now, but it's to be expected. Nothing really to see here. Jasmine high to the low. It's over the 382, so you're bullish. You broke the downtrend. It's just a simple little pullback here. As long as you're over this 2-3 level, once this thing breaks over 3, it's off to the races to 5. 5 pennies. I think I'm just going to accumulate a Jasmine bag. Because if I have the conviction, I believe Jasmine's going to hit $1. 50 billion market cap. I just need to get like 100,000 Jasmine. I just need 100K this cycle. 50 to 100K. That's all I ask for. But yeah, it's just a simple pullback. A lot of people are underwater. A lot of people got some pumps. I think SUKU pumped, didn't it? I haven't looked at it yet. But yeah, Jasmine's in a good spot here. And Bitcoin Cash. If Bitcoin Cash is going to continue the action, the price action that's doing, then you can see here high low. It's right on the 618, so that's your breakout point. That means this move down is over. You're right at it, right below it. But if it holds over this level here, pretty much where you are now, 499, then it should start moving up. And if it's going to keep the market intact here, it should come up to the 786, make yet a higher high, and then at that point maybe pull back once again. But you get the idea. Unless it falls below this level, which no one can tell you that, I have no idea. And it makes a lower high here, then it'll go down a lot further. But it's a waiting game. It's a game of patience. And then Rep said, look at Plu. Yeah, I looked at it. We got 24 people in here. Everyone hit the like button, please. But Plu, I just did a chart for Plu. I don't know what this one is. But if we go all the way out to the monthly, if you're still here, never heard of this one, Pluton. But the monthly chart here, you can see it's on the 382. So if it holds over 180, you're at 215, then this could very well be the bottom, and it's bullish over that, and it could move up. Now, the market cap wise, if it hits $118 million market cap, that'll take you up to $12, and a decent, let me move this, 5.5, near a 6x here, 5.5, over 5.5x on this thing. I don't know what it is or what it does. The market cap right now on it, I was looking, but I lost my placeholder. But let me see here. Yeah, it's sitting at a 20 million market cap. So that's definitely going to get hit probably, if it's not going to die here. I don't know what this is, like I said. And then if you think this thing can hit $1 billion market cap, this potential new high area, that's a decent, it's almost a 59x to 122. So $1.1 billion market cap on Plu. Het says he's ready. You guys can hear me okay, huh? We got 28 people in here. Fireman needs some help. Let's go Undead Army. Muffin Man back in the house. Sandhu says, how's it going? It's going good. We got a new member here. Welcome to the Horde, Bertram. I think I said that right. Bertram. Welcome in. Welcome. LCX. Yeah, I just did a PNG update on the channel. PNG is not doing anything. It's still in the exact same spot. It has not moved. It's still holding up. We're still looking for PNG to spike out of here. Just like I told you guys on SUKU and everything else, PNG is going to go at some point. Just a waiting game. What's up, Stone Santa? How's it going? SEI's been wanting to. Yeah, I think the bottom was put back in on LCX. It's nowhere but up from now on until the end of the bull run. But yeah, I welcome the new member. I appreciate that. Trying to get to 5,000 members at some point. Trying to get it. We're gonna get 100 viewers in here today. I'm not gonna accept anything less. Tired of waiting around. I'm impatient. I'm greedy. Let's get 100 people in here. LCX. What is happening with LCX? Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot LCX got back above the level I wanted it to. It came back up, got stuck at the 0.5. So it needs to stay bullish here. It needs to break over the 618, get over 20.5 here. It needs to break this high or double top with a lower high, and it could come right back down. It has to break the structure here. It has to break the lower high structure. It came down low to the high, hit the 618. It's back above the 382, back above the 0.5, back above macro support resistance area. So it needs to follow through here, in my opinion. And I would say it does. It really needs to. What's up, OG Jerry? Is Litecoin doing? Smoking crypto. Yeah, everyone wants PNG to spike up. Alan says, can you do a chart on Sandbox? Are you the one that's asking on the updates on the channel if I could do Sandbox? Someone keeps asking. I don't know if that's you or not, Alan. But yeah, I got a Sandbox chart built up. Sand is probably along the lines of the rest of the older coins that ran in 2021. It's probably going to do a 5 to 10x. Right now it's stuck right at the 382, but it made a higher high, so that's good. But from where it is right now, 786 retracement on this thing will take you up to 385, around that area. $9.2 billion market cap on Sand. I don't remember what Sand was at right now. Let me look. So I just looked it up. All right, it's at a 1.7 billion market cap. So this is very doable. So Sand's gonna 5.5x at least. But it did just smack into resistance perfectly at 86. And then if it's going to come up here, maybe Sand only comes up and makes a slightly lower high. Maybe it comes up to $7, $7.50, $8. That would give you pretty much roughly a 10x and 18, $19 billion market cap on this thing, which I think is very possible also. Maybe it makes a slightly higher high, but if it goes to the new 1272 new high here at about $23, that's a 58 billion market cap on sand and about a 33x. I honestly don't know, but I think the older coins are going to 5 to 10x. Short term, low to the high, as long as you're over 61, you're at 70, you're bullish. So if it pulls back to 61 and bounces, so be it. About a 15% drop here. But yeah, what are your thoughts on sand? Where do you think it's going? I'm just under the impression, and my thoughts are the older coins that ran last time. We see it with XRP, Solana, all the big ones. 5 to 10x's are good, I think. Can you look at Theta? What is Theta doing? Theta and T-Fuel. Same thing, same chart. Got stuck right at the 382 and it's pulling back. But that initial move off of the structure here we've been watching, nice little pump up. These things are starting to wake up. I don't know why I put that there. But yeah, Theta woke up from the dead here. I guess when they turn bullish, we'll officially call them part of the undead cryptos. But yeah, as long as you're over 168, you're bullish. Got stuck at the 382. A lot of things hit resistance and they're just kind of sitting here now, pulling back a little bit. Yeah, it's sitting right on top of the 0.5 here, right above 186. So if it holds 186, it may push through the 382 here, and then you're officially macro bullish on this thing. And then Theta, I don't remember the market cap on Theta, but 4x up to a 7.8 billion market cap to 780. And then I would guess this is your moonshot. $40, $39 billion market cap. 40 billion market cap would be about a 21x on Theta. I don't remember what the people are saying where it's going. What's up, Slava? How you doing? How you doing today? I'm doing good. Didn't do a lot of updates today. I had to go help my friend do some yard work. Weed eating and mowing. Messed up my arm a little bit. Fun times. Good times. Hi, watch PNG now, please, says Kubos. Mo F, I think that's how you say your name. Alien base pumping, is it? What's up, Sector? Yeah, like I keep saying, it's pretty much just a waiting game. We got little pumps and then we get pullbacks. Everyone freaks out. All the PNG holders are freaking out because it's not doing anything. It's trying. Yeah, I looked at this earlier. If it stays here and doesn't turn into a wick and fall back down, then you're good to go. But you have to break over 30. 30 is the big price we've been screaming forever on PNG. If you get over 30, let's see here. Yeah, even a 3-day, potentially even a daily close. 30 minutes left. Let's get it done. You have 30 minutes to push the price up. Get over daily close and we're good to go. And you guys can quit asking me about PNG. But I just made an update and said she's not doing anything. It's only a matter of time. Don't miss out. It's about to go too. But yeah, if it holds up here, about 30 is the big price. That's your high to the low 382 also. Bullish over that, and that's your breakout. Sup, Silver? How you doing? XRP Army, smash the like buttons and subscribe. Everyone come join the horde. We're going to take over 2025 bull run. Gurkaren, can you look at Jasmine? We just looked at Jasmine. Jasmine's sitting right on the 382. Jasmine broke the downtrend. It's in a good spot. Sitting above the 382 to be bullish short term. Where's our Jasmine chart? Jasmine. But yeah, I mentioned that as long as Jasmine is below the 382, I think I'm just going to start buying little spots of Jasmine. Even if it's $20 a week, whatever it's going to be. I need to accumulate about 100,000 or 50,000 Jasmine. And I'm just going to hold that. I'm just going to hold Jasmine to $1. But yeah, it already hits a 382 off of that wick, and it's just holding here. You say drop another 10%? I don't think so. If it comes back down to the 382, that's only about a 4 or a 3% drop. That's all I can really say. It's sitting on support right now. I was thinking 700% on Sandbox and Ethereum Classic 2000%. Jeez. So 7x and a 20x, huh? I haven't looked at the Ethereum Classic in a while. But yeah, Jasmine to $1. Before it gets up to the 382 here and gets over 5, which is there's not much time left. I need to get at least 50,000 Jasmine, which I just converted my, if you guys watch the channel, which a lot of you do, my Crow that I get for free every time you go on the Crow crypto.com app. I just transferred my Crow that pumped a little bit, and now I just put $50 on Jasmine. So I have a little over 2,000, I believe it was. The road to 50,000, the road to 100,000 Jasmine, and I'm going to hold it, and then it's going to hit $1, and then I'll be happy. But I'm running out of time. But of course, right when I bought it, it was here and it dropped. All right, so what do we have going on, bro? Keep an eye on AI tech. What's what Brave Age? Someone is saying it's going to be used by the FBI. What is? Oh, I forgot that was on the screen. CTX reaching $5 before the end of the year. I don't know. I don't remember where CTX is right now. CTX. $5 by the end of the year, so another month. I have no idea. It just woke up from the formation from the bottom here, the accumulation. It's bullish and needs to get over the 382 to 374, and then you probably have a shot at that. But yeah, I'm interested. Did SUKU really get up right after I covered it? SUKU. Yeah, it had a decent little run. It's over the 236. Someone was in here yesterday, I believe it was yesterday, saying they were going to put $500 on it or something like. Oh no, they were having a 500 law. I don't remember what it was. Whatever. But yeah, it kind of sucks. I keep covering these coins, and we're looking at these formations and PNG, SUKU, whatever it is, and they just keep going one by one. So I just told myself I just keep missing them, so I'm just gonna buy Jasmine and hold it to $1. What's up, Eldor? XRP went back to being a stable coin. Velodrome. What is that, Ethereum name service? But yeah, let's see. Why does everyone talk about XRP? Because they think XRP is going to $30, $50. Which, if it does, it does. I don't see how that's possible, but all the partnerships and whatever else is going on with them, I guess, is what makes it go to these ridiculous prices. Velo, yeah, Velo's still looking good here. Last time I remember we looked at it, we were over the 0.5. And we'll see what happens. It has the same structure here. So once you break over the 618, you're holding the macro uptrend. Once you break over this 11 area, it'll spike up like a lot of things have been doing. Not huge spikes, but you know, nonetheless, it's a spike up. Holding over the 0.5, it's going to pull away from the trend and it's going to go to the moon. But yeah, I like Velo. But yeah, you can see the 382s here also. So once you get over the 618, 382, you're bullish here. And it'll have that little spike to the upside here. So out of this accumulation, what we're watching on everything, SUKU, PNG, what else is it, XEN, all the ones we've been watching like this, what you're going to have happen here now, the market is waking up, they're going to spike up, they're never going to come back down to these prices, and then we're just going to continue to move up until we go to the moon. So that's why we've been saying for months on end here, time to buy is now. I can't believe I missed XEN and Spell. Who said they're new to the channel? I saw that, but I forgot. Yeah, we look at AI tech all the time. What's realistic for Fox and LCX? It all has to do with market cap, in my opinion. That's why when people say XRP to $30, I don't know how they can justify that. But Fox here, Fox is holding up. Fox realistic expectations. $286 million market cap for 8.5x. Or maybe to $1 for a lower high. 18x. That's why we do these charts, because you don't know where these things are actually going to. People are going to be freaking out and screaming to the moon when we're up here with these giant green candles spawning in. I remember this from when I was in on Shiba. You never know where these things are going to top out. They could go all the way to the moon, but that's why you hold a moon bag up here. You take your initial profit down here. So I'd say a good target would be here. 45 cents, maybe 46 cents, 47 cents. You just got to be realistic with it. Because if I would have listened to the Shiba Moon Boys last cycle, I would have held and I would have never sold, and I would have held the top and it would have went all the way. I would be holding my bag still, which that would have sucked. Can't imagine holding a bag of something just because people told you it was going to go here and there, and then you got to hold it for 3.5, 4 years and watch it go to zero. And LCX, we already went over LCX, but I don't know about LCX. Realistic, I guess you could just say the first target here, the new high, 8.5, almost a 9x from where it is today, 1 billion market cap, and then get out and run to the hills with your money. Did you already did XRP today? No, we did not. XRP's just, I see XRP $8 to $9. Crypto stock BT. I don't know what that means. Oh yeah, Agent Orange, welcome to the channel. Hopefully you subscribe and like and all that good stuff. Appreciate you coming in here. We're here every day streaming pretty much, unless something comes up for me. But I think everyone here is going to do good. You guys have been buying in on these bottoms when no one else wanted anything. What we're going to look at, sub D stands. Which one you choosing, XCN or Jasmy? I think I'm going to stick with Jasmy. I would like to buy more than Jasmy, but I just need to get like 100,000 Jasmy. Over 50,000 Jasmy. Because I really think Jasmy's going to $1. So if I can just accumulate, like I've already said, if I get 100,000 Jasmy, that's all I need. $100,000. Get me out of the hole I'm in. I'm not going to be greedy. Even though I said I was greedy earlier. Can't be greedy when you're poor. Yeah, I'll just take 50,000 Jasmy at this point. But I still like XCN, don't get me wrong. It woke up from the bottom where I wanted to buy it, and it moved already. Yeah, Bitcoin's pulling back. Ondo's on support. ALGO's pulling back. AVAX. Yeah, Dogecoin just can't seem to stay through the 786 here, just smacking into it and getting stuck. XRP looks like it topped out. Another one smacked right into resistance, 786 here. But on the smaller time frames, it doesn't look too great. But if you can stay over 116, you could stay bullish and push right back up. And then as for people saying XRP is going to these prices here, you said $8. So XRP is going to hit that market cap there, 464 billion. I mean, it's going to go where it's going to go. I think $5 is a good target on XRP. Maybe it goes a little bit higher, of course, but maybe it hits a 300 billion market cap. What if this is it on XRP? 2017-18 bull market, 2021 a lower high, And then now I just did it again, lower high, 786 retracement. And that was all she wrote. XRP. Yeah, I think Jasmine's going to outperform. People aren't going to expect it. It's going to hit $1, then everyone's going to start freaking out. Oh no, it's going to $5. And they're going to hold, not sell, because it took them by surprise. We got Yellow Eldor for 5. I appreciate that. Node AI. What is that on? Node AI. I appreciate the 5. GPU. Wait, let me see. We may have a chart on this one. That sounds familiar. Damn. Node AI on XC, I guess. This the right one, huh? Before I start building anything on it. Yeah, that's what I would like to have done if I ever owned XRP, which I never would. XRP or Dogecoin, it pumped, take that profit and roll it over into whatever it's called. Jasmine. But yeah, I think this is the right one. Let me pull up the market cap. What's up, Life of Andre? Are you the one that sent me the super thanks on the video for ACH? Someone did that had a picture like you. Hold on, I'm trying to pull up the GPU. Node AI GPU. All right. Sub no YB. All right, we're gonna look at this one here. Let's see, high to the low. You're over the 618. So as long as you're over 94, 112 is the price to beat. So just watch that support level. 87% move to 187 here. The chart's not, it hasn't done anything. Is it really at $1? I'm looking on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko and it says 97 cents. 95 million market cap. Oh, all the coins are in circulation. That's good. So where's this thing gonna end up? Low market cap, all the coins are out. So let me see here. $97 million coins in circulation. GPU. Well, what did I say? All right, so a 2 billion market cap will take you to $20, $21. Do a 21x on this thing. It's almost at 100 million market cap. So $1 billion, $2 billion is not out of the question in a bull market, depending on if people are going to buy this thing, what it is, if people can easily buy it. Sector O says, is 1 million Jasmy enough? Do you have 1 million Jasmy? Damn, if you have 1 million Jasmy, dude, I wouldn't say hold them all to $1. Take your profit at 30 cents and then let the rest ride to $1. Not financial advice. But since I'm poor and I only have 2,000 Jasmy at the moment, I'm just trying to get to 50,000. 100,000 if I'm lucky. Cortez says PNG prediction. I don't know why that's funny. We look at PNG every live stream about 5 times or more. PNG to the moon. What do you think? Oh, guys in the chat think. Yeah, that's a good question. If you think Jasmy can hit $1, type $1. Type a 1 in the chat. Let's spam the chat with 1s. Let's see if Jasmy's going to hit $1. And we got 56 people in here, halfway to 100. Yeah, last night we got up to 20 super chats. We hit a milestone. And then now I want to hit 100 people, over 100 people in the thing. But yeah, hopefully that was the Node AI for you, Eldor. But yeah, it's over the 618. Low to the high. Yeah, same area. As long as you're over that 618, you're bullish here. 112 is the price to beat, and then to the moon, it's either going to go to $7 or $20, or 4 billion market cap to $40. But that is a large move. Yeah, you guys don't have to buy Jasmy because everyone thinks it's going to $1. It may not hit $1. That's just my opinion. It's going to go back to 0 after the bull run. That's all I know. Jasmy's the future. We got Mark for 2. I appreciate that. Check out SUKU and CTX. Finally a breakout. Yeah. We were saying that last night on the live stream and on the update. And then SUKU left us behind. Had a decent little pump. But that's what we were saying forever. But yeah, it woke up from the dead here. SUKU did. Right below the 382. But the bottom is confirmed in short term, long term. And if it gets over 9.6, you're in good shape. And just keep in mind the macro 382 and the 618 up here. Heavy resistance with the trend line. But yeah, this thing broke out here. So over the 236, as long as you're over 8, she's good to go. Yeah, we've already looked at CTX and SUKU. But yeah, so they're doing the exact same thing here. From the dead, now they're up. Over the first couple of levels it needs to get over, as long as you stay over them, it's up and sideways and up from here. Same thing, stuck right at the 382 at 283. But over our line here, as long as you're moving like this, you broke the structure that it was pretty much sitting in here. Just needs to get over 283, but yeah, they woke up here. We just need PNG to do the same. So we'll quit looking at PNG every day. I forgot about deck screener. Yeah, PNG is gonna go soon too. It's gonna do a SUKU and a CTX very soon, and AOS is just gonna start running it. Let's see here. STX to $30, AVT. Same formation on STX here, holding the uptrend. It looks like Velodrome, but same formation, and it's spiking up now. You're asking, can it go to $30? $20. $20 for a 30 billion market cap for a 9.5x almost from where it is now. $30 billion market cap on STX. It's at a 30 billion market cap. Not 30 billion, 3 billion. Yeah, I think this is very possible. If people are going to buy it. Yeah, I guess I need to get a deck screener before you guys start asking for gamble coins. Arkham, ARKM. Yeah, AVT, if I remember correctly, was in the same spot. Didn't it already move? All these Coinbase coins have been moving lately. Oh, this one hasn't moved yet. You got another winner here. If you just need a little spike to the upside, pile into AVT, not financial advice. Yeah, once you break over the 786 at 271, bullish over 316 here. But once it breaks this level here that's been stuck at with a curl up, it'll have a spike up like everything else has been doing here. But that initial breakout, AVT is one of the ones, like PNG. They're up next. We said the same thing about SUKU last night. And then overnight, SUKU broke out. So take that as you will. I don't think we've looked at Arkham in forever. Arkham Intelligence. Looks good here. Excuse me. Looks like a decent move up here. It's repeating history, higher highs, higher lows, little pullbacks. Damn, I'm gonna have to get a drink. But after that little candle up, it looks like it formed a triangle pattern. That's always bullish continuation, accumulation. 212 here. It's at 209. It's not going to be perfect. It's holding up here. But in my opinion, it looks good here. So get ready for a little spike on Arkham. 30% to 280. Next resistance. And then to a 3 billion market cap. 630 is a 2x. I don't know what the market cap is now on Arkham or the coins. There's just too many coins to keep up with. Almost a 700 million market cap. All right. So yeah, 3 billion's easily done. $30 for a 16 billion market cap. I don't know if that's possible. 15x, 16x. Yeah, that's possible in a bull run. But it looks good where it is right now. Jeez. Maybe P&G will break out on the stream. Yeah, that's why I like zooming out to the weekly and the monthly. You can actually see what they're actually really overall doing. What's up, Maddie? KRL left the station. I don't know if we have a chart for that. Someone asked for that the other day, I think. Damn. Oh, yeah, we do. What does this even do? Yeah, it looks good. You're above the 0.5. High to the low on KRL. She's above the 382, 236. So you're bullish above the 0.5 and the 382. So in good shape here, as long as you're over 60. Yeah, I have no idea what this. I couldn't even tell you what this is, what it does. That all I know, it's a crypto. No idea what it does. What? Yeah, let's see here. I'd imagine it has a very low market cap since we have these market caps on the screen and nothing else. Creel. Just going to the moon right now, trying to 24 million market cap. So it's at 64 cents. So 460 would be a 276 million market cap and a 7x. Yeah, maybe this thing's going to run. It's making higher lows. Next stop is the higher high. And then a pullback. And then to the moon. Bull runs over. It goes to 0. Yeah, she's looking good at the moment. Got Eldor for 2. DIA, please. I appreciate the 2. We still only got half the people in here. Need to get 100 people in here. DIA. What is DIA up to? We haven't looked at it in a minute. She's holding over our box. Damn, I don't know why I moved the box. No. I'm trying to grab this. It's over the 382, so DIA could be in a bullish pattern here. It dropped a little bit. It's over our green box. The green box is probably a 382 from here. Damn, why did I grab that? Let's see here. Yeah. So the double 382 is the box here. We're holding up, so we're bullish short term and macro wise. And this pattern here off of the strong move up could tell us close to a spike up soon. And a spike up would be the 0.5, possibly the 618, so a 30% move. Maybe it spikes up 100% almost to 163. But it's in a real good spot here. Short term and macro bullish. Where's this thing going to end up? DIA to the moon, new high, 1.5 billion market cap, 17.5x up to 14 bucks. 1.5 billion market cap on DAI, or DIA rather. It's almost at 100 million. So yeah, this is a good target for it. Good 17.5x play. Maybe a little more, because this is not accurate all the time. But yeah, the overall chart's curling up here. It looks good. Good 17x play. Jasmine's below 2.4. Sub Dennis, look at ABT. Is ABT doing anything? ABT. Arc block is doing nothing. It's in the same spot. I'm gonna start. Hold on. Yeah, it's still stuck in the downtrend here, still curled up, still in that formation. Same thing we keep saying on PNG and everything else. But I'm going to have to make a pinned comment. Until I see PNG and ABT and whatever else is on the list move, I'm going to say do not ask for them. I'm going to put you in timeout. Do not ask me about ABT and PNG. Yeah, it's not doing anything. It needs to break over the 382, 2272, and then you could ask me about it over 181. But yeah, it's in the same formation here. At some point, it's going to spike up. But yeah, ABT and PNG are going to break out soon. Hamid says I forgot him. I didn't forget you. I see you guys typing, but there's so many people asking for stuff. It's hard to keep up. We're already almost an hour in, and I'm just nonstop talking and charting. Dennis said everyone watching and asking for info, hit the like button and subscribe. Yeah, and become a member, share it out. We got one new member today, one new member of the Horde. Yeah, I don't even see what you were asking for, my man. What's up, Coach Marvin? Yeah, we did Bitcoin Cash. It's going to 0. I guess I'm going to go over to Dex Screener. You asked for Blue and Bonk on base, I believe. Those are all good picks. Nah, Bitcoin Cash looks good here. High, low, it's sitting over the 618. It keeps going back and forth every time I look at it. But as long as you're in this range, it looks like it's going to hold. If it holds over the 618 here, like I keep saying all the time, it's not always going to be perfect. Then you're in a good spot. If it's going to keep up the market structure it has in play here on the overall macro, then it's probably going to make a new high soon. That new high, 786 at 88. Just got to be patient and wait, and then you'll have the price come up here and make that new high. You know, it may go up a little higher, and then it'll pull back again. And then at some point, it'll go to the moon. But yet another one, old dinosaur coin, probably 5 to 10x, and it lines up here. If you look at it here, BCH to a $70 billion market cap. Let me get the smaller one off the screen so we can see. But if you think it's going to hit a 70 billion, hit a new high here, that is a 7.5x. It could be one of the ones that only does about a 3 to 4x and makes a slightly higher high. That is my thinking. All these old coins are either going to make a slightly higher high or higher low, do a 2 to 3 or maybe a 4x, or they're going to hit some better targets and do 5 to 10x's, which is this thing going to hit $3,600? That's what you got to ask yourself. But the overall chart looks good. Higher highs, higher lows, curled up on the macro. Bitcoin Cash. Oh, I got Eldor for 5 again. I appreciate that, my man. Last one, bro. Aleph. I appreciate you. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate the support, my man. Yeah, I'm going to go over to Deck Screener in a minute and see who's asking for stuff over there. Aleph. Pull up our Coinbase chart. I zoom back down. Oh no, is it breaking down? Excuse me. Yeah, even though it broke the trend here, I wouldn't be too concerned. We've seen this a lot lately, and I mentioned this last night in the live stream. We were talking about it being like a bed formation. This one had a little move up. Let's see here. It's holding over the 0.5 right on it. So I would keep it simple. You have to hold 14.5 here. If you lose that, you run the risk of coming all the way down to the 382, but you run the risk of breaking the higher low, the curl up here. So if I had to guess, I would say this is it. It's bottomed out here and it's about to pump back up. And then high to the low. Yeah, it's right on the 236 also. So the bottom is confirmed in short term. And like I said, pretty much 17.8 up to 19. So 18 to 19 pennies. Once you get over this level, you're good to go. But off of those two levels there, it looks like the bottom is being put in for the curl up, as you call it, or as I call it. Doesn't look too bad. And then I move up for a higher high, and then a pull back again, and then at some point to the moon. That should be what along the lines plays out. The fact that we're in a bull market, almost in a bull market, almost an alt season, we shouldn't see things do this and then, start going back down. It should be up and sideways for the rest of the year and rest of next year until we go vertical. But if it comes up and makes a slightly higher high and breaks these highs back here, the double top here, and it came down. So if it comes up here and breaks just over this, you're in real good shape at that point. And then how high is it going to go? Let me see. I don't know if I've ever looked at the market cap on this one. What is it? 28 million market cap. Okay. So 500 million market cap. 13x to $2. That's where I would take profit. $2 on this one. And then your moonshot would be up here to a 2 billion market cap and a 60x to $9. Jeez. Yeah, $2 is a good target on that one. I appreciate the 5. Yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, Let me pull up deck screener in just a moment. I got to go get something to drink because I got to stop this cough or the stream's just going to be bearish. All right, I'll be back in a minute. All right, I'm back. What'd I miss? Stop being sick, man. I'm trying. XRP, you're not taking into account mass adoption. Alex likes PNG. Maybe it'll move out of here now. Yeah, Vara. Yeah, we're gonna go over to Dex Screener in just a moment. Hamid wanting me to look at some coins. He's always here, so I appreciate you being here. Yeah, I'm waiting on Vara. I need Vara to get over the 236 or I can't be bullish on this thing. It's disappointed me too many times, but I do like Vara. I was very bullish on it back here, and then it died, but we know this. But yeah, Vara needs to get over, what was that? 3 pennies. And then she's welcome back. Low to the high, you're right above the 0.5 here, so it still could come down to the 618 at 2.1, 2 pennies. But like I said, that would be good if it bounced 618, 0.5, whatever it's going to be, but it needs to get over 3. But VAR has potential if they would stop being the way they're being. All right, first time over to Dex Screener. Where's Dex Screener? Dex Screener. You still here, Hamid? Damn. Damn, it won't let me scroll up. What the hell? Alright, so whatever. What's up, April? Velodrome, does it follow Arrow? I don't know. I think you said blue and then bonk on base. But yeah, these Blue Foster, Bonk, Pepe, all the base coins. I like all these coins. Yeah, this one's back down below the 236 here, but higher highs, and it's still making higher lows. It's holding the uptrend, but it's a meme coin, so what are you going to do? Yeah, it looks good here. Yeah, it's sitting right on the 382. I don't know where that went. But even though it dipped down, it's right on the 382, right on the uptrend, so it could bounce off of this point easily. As long as you're over 2.1, you're at 2.2. Probably going to bounce up and hit the macro 382 for a higher high once again. Could very well be the case here. But Blue Foster here, this one, let me see, where is it? So off of the support, 178% move potentially. Not a bad spot, but this one here, let's pull this down. If this one goes to a new high, even a 786 retracement, it's a good play. 786 retracement on this one, it's a 30x. If it goes to the new high, up to $115, which that may be a stretch, I don't know. That's a 500x, 527x. If this thing's going to run again. But I think anyone would take a 330x. Are we still here? Yeah, we're still live. Still only got 54 people in here. We're beating Twitter. Yeah, 32 people. A lot of the old people aren't here unless they're lingering in the shadows. Unless I missed someone coming in. Fear and Loathing in Crypto. Welcome. I don't know if you've been here before. Let's see here. What is used car doing? I think you said used car. Used car. It's right below the 236, but let's see if it's going to hold up on anything. No. It's just below the 618, so we'll see if it gets bought back up. Doesn't have to be perfect, though. Just need used car to come back to life here. But yeah, used car is another one I like because I think a lot of people know about this one. This one to a new high is an 80x. Just got to be patient. If not, then halfway is a 10x. To the 786 at 7 pennies on used car. T13, how's it going? What's up, Matthew? Pro base. What is that on? Prop base. What is that? Prop on base? What's up, Econ? Good evening. Good evening, brother. Damn, you put 10K on Vara. Hopefully it goes up for you. I hope it goes up. I like Vara. We got Maddie for 20. I appreciate that. He says sturdy, I guess, and skid. STRDY. I guess that's what you mean. I appreciate the 20, my man. What is that one on? I assume Solana, but is it this one here? Sturdy. Okay, yeah, on Ethereum. I figured so. Oh damn, this thing's going to the moon. Are you in on this one? She's running. Let's see some targets for this one. High to the low on sturdy. I think that's what it means. Yeah, you broke over the previous high. It looks bullish as hell right now. Next stop up is 576 from 344 we are now. So we'll leave this here. Another 66% candle is going to spawn in here. And then if it gets through that, next stop would be about 140, almost 150% move. Yeah, this one doesn't look bad at all. There's no wick there. Oh, we'll just do it anyway. It's a meme coin. Yeah, as long as you're over the previous high, you're bullish. As long as you're over 262, this thing is bullish. Skid's another one I like. Yeah, I don't know if I guess skid is still in the downtrend. Once you get over the 236 on skid at 2.9 here, you're at 2.7, then that's your potential breakout point. And it may not go to the moon right away, but it may have an initial spike up. Yeah, a 57% move to the next resistance at 382. But once you get over 4.4, this thing's going to be bullish here. I'm going to leave this here. She's about to spike up real good on you. New high on this one's a 20x, 21x. But yeah, skid needs to break over 2.9 to confirm a breakout. Inverse head and shoulders. I didn't even catch that. On sturdy. Oh, I can just click it. Oh yeah, you're right. She broke out. Yeah, this thing looks bullish here. Bonk on base. I appreciate the 20 though, my man. Hopefully you're making money on those. We got Econs Force 5 says I hope everyone's picks pump long and hard, and I appreciate the 5. Don't get me banned. I'm reloading. Steven says, I appreciate the 5 there. Steven says, anyone else think BTC has topped and won't push higher? You don't think BTC is going to hit 100K? I'm loading Bonk, or you're hoping Bonk will get listed on Robinhood. You talking about regular Bonk? Is Bonk still moving? Bonk on base. Yeah, this one broke the downtrend. What of it there was. Stuck right at the 382. Needs to get over 70115, and then you're bullish. And then this one to a new high is a 30, almost a 35x. Another good play on base. 5x up to the 786. If I get that to stay right. Oh yeah, I know you meant regular Bonk. I think BTC is going to 180 to 200K this next year. You could be right. We're ahead of schedule, so we could be going into alt season ahead of schedule. We'll see. But I think Bitcoin has to hit 100K. If it doesn't hit 100K, then no one's coming back this next time. Is Alien Base really going crazy? What's up, Isaac? Bro, my SUKU pumped. Yeah, we were talking about that last night, and then she started pumping. But yeah, we've been saying Alien Base was bullish. It broke out, and then I'd imagine it's still going. But yeah, what is regular bonk doing? Oh yeah, it's still holding up here. It broke the level we were looking at forever, and it's holding support. So what are you gonna do? I don't think it's gonna drop back down into the pattern and wait for me. I think I missed it. It didn't do as I wanted it to because Bitcoin decided to tease us with 100K. So things started to move up a little bit. I wanted it to crawl around in here for a while and then go up and blast out of here, but it's in a good spot. But alien base, where are we at? What are we looking at? Yeah, alien base is just always bullish. Yeah, broke out from the pattern and it's just still going. Moved up a lot since we last looked at it. Next resistance on alien base is 73. So another 37-38% move here before you hit resistance. Yeah. Yeah, what is prop base? You keep saying that, but I don't know what that is, my man. T13 says prop base. This is the little brother of Proppy. This thing. What's up, No Whack? He just got here. PNG trying to move. Yeah, that's what people keep saying. PNG's on the move. But yeah, if this is it, it's making higher lows. Needs to get over the 618 at 11. Ultimately, pretty much 14 pennies here. You can. It needs a weekly candle over this, or a 3-day candle rather. Hell, a daily candle. Oh yeah, if it gets a daily candle over, then you're in real good shape, over 14. Then the potential breakout to the upside, new high. I don't know what this is. I don't have the market caps for it. Where do you guys find these coins at, by the way? Prop base. 40 million market cap, 30% of the coins in circulation. And when I say $1, Yeah, maybe it's good for a 10x. Go ahead and write this down in case we ever look at this. Damn, no. I'm gonna put you all in timeout if she's not pumping. If she's not over 30, all in timeout. Oh no, the stream is down. You guys broke the stream with PNG. To the moon. It's not fit. It's still not over 30. Can you imagine where you be if this thing pulls back down? Did it make a higher high? I'm all the way in. It made an even high, huh? Let's go. Try. But yeah, if this ends up turning to a wick again and you fall back down in here, wherever we want to draw this at, it's just the 382 and the 1414 is right here. Has to get over 30 and then you guys can scream bullish. I hope it does though. PNG. What's up, Jason? He says ban everyone. I'm not going to ban him. We're just going to put you in timeout for being bullish on PNG. And it hasn't broken the level that we've been saying forever here. Has to get over 30. PNG is just toying with you guys' emotions right now. We'll see. Go tell all your friends and family to pile into PNG. Let's pump this thing up. I ought to just leave this here. That way, until we break over it, and you're not bullish yet. What are we at? Hour and 35 minutes. Only 54 people in here. Where's everyone at? You're ready to be done with PNG. Yeah, that's what I said a while back, or not a while back, a couple streams ago, I think. You guys got to be careful because the PNG holders they get angry. So if PNG pumps up here, next little pump, you may have a lot of people get out. Not enough patience and too much greed. It's taken over. Told your dad to buy. He doesn't give an F about crypto. Yeah, that's how people are in life. If they're not in it, they don't care. Until everything's going to the moon, and then they're going to ask you about something. How do I buy this? And you're just going to tell them, never mind, you're too late. Maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe P&G will pump out of here tonight after the stream, just like it always does, it seems like. Isaac says big time. Degen, big time. Degen, I would imagine, still sitting in the same exact spot. It's the new P&G. A lot of people ask for Degen, and it's just in the same spot. I don't know what to tell you. Sitting right above the 618. Perfectly. I didn't even have to look at the chart. Sitting above 17.8. Nothing else to look at here. Time to go home. Looks good. It's just sitting above support. But yeah, Degen, as long as you're holding support here, price to beat is the 786 for a 76% move over 3-1, 3 pennies. Higher highs, higher lows. The overall chart looks good here. You guys are not having enough patience and waiting. I'd be in the same boat though. If I had a bunch of money in P&G or Degen or something, I'd just be stressing. Crypto John shield P&G hard. Yeah, I know. What did you say? Oh, hold on, let me make sure I covered the super chats. I didn't realize that we already had 7. I don't want to forget something. Okay. April says, how high for Velodrome? Velo. How high? Velo's in a good spot right now. So getting accumulated here on an uptrend. Once it breaks over the 618 at 11, it's going to spike up like SUKU and like some other things you're trying to do. But yeah, I like the dollar. $98 for Velo. Just under $1 billion market caps. Pretty much a 10x from where it is today. That's where I would take profit. If you think it's going to go higher than that, and the next stop up potentially is the 3.4 billion market cap and a 40x. A 3 billion market cap. I always have to look at the coins in circulation and the market cap now, because you got to be realistic with this stuff. 86 million market cap, 44% in circulation apparently. Yeah, I like this target here, but you never know what's going to happen. Last cycle, the new coins, the new tokens that came out, you know, they're the ones that did the 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 X's. Timeout, says Head. Yeah. We got 45 people in here. We got 20 minutes left and the stream's over. Need to get 100 people in here. Yeah, I saw Mavia was pumping. Mavia to the moon. Come on. Let's see here. Yeah, had a decent move. Was that there the last time we looked at it? Oh yeah, I guess it was. As long as you're above the macro 236 here, which, why is that not accurate again? Is that where we had it? As long as you're over 180, bottom is in. Bullish over 254. 193 could be a target to watch as long as you're over that, but it could very well pull back here and then go back up. But it had a decent little run. Heroes of Mavia. I'd imagine, I think that's a game, ain't it? Ain't it, y'all? A 3x to a 200 million market cap. 650 million market cap to 20 bucks. It's going to give you a 9.5x on Mavia. Mavia is at a 68 million market cap. Damn, only 13% in circulation. What are they doing with the rest of the coins? So that's a large move from a 28 million market cap. Yeah, we looked at KRL. Yeah, it doesn't look bad when you scroll down to the other time frames. That's a nice looking candle. If it stays bullish, 254 is the next stop. Another 18% move. $197, $2. As long as you're over that, you're good to go. Matthew says you actually covered Muse once. Did I? Well, I think we looked at Muse last night, didn't we? Muse. Yeah, I've covered a lot in the past. I just don't remember what there was, but I wouldn't trust those old videos. I don't know what they say. Mavia. Yeah, not Mavia, Muse. Yeah, I don't know what Muse is, but right now, double top, lower high, below the 0.5, above the 382. So you're officially bullish on this thing now. Mavia, potential 29x to 500 bucks, $250 million market cap. Is Muse an old coin? Muse DAO. Whatever happened to the? You guys remember the nodes? What were the nodes? Time Wonderland, was that it? Time Wonderland and Strong Nodes and damn, what was the other one? Life or something? 17 million market cap. All the coins in circulation for Muse. So maybe you're gonna get almost a 30x out of this thing. Palm AI. I think we looked at that one before. Oh no. Let's see here. Maybe it's on the other list. No, damn it. Could have swore we looked at Palm AI. That's so unfortunate. This thing? may have to go with the MEXC chart. Yeah. Yeah, these coins you guys come up with, I've never heard of some of them. Are people going to buy these coins when they start piling into everything? Yeah, you're above the 618. It looks like you're in a bullish pattern here. Not so much, but you're over the 618, so that's good. The official down and sideways is officially over 87 here. Next stop up is 125. So another 30% move. But it's looking bullish where it is right now with the candles that are spawned in here. Palm AI. Let's see. A new high on this one. I don't know what the market cap is, but we're running up on 2 hours now. Oh yeah, did we ever do ACH? I forgot about your ACH there. Almost a 70 million market cap on this one. All the coins are in circulation. That's good to see. Palm AI to 750. Let's see here. From where it is right now at, what did I say, a 70 million market cap. No, come on. You got too many tabs open. Good for almost an 8x, I guess. Oh, maybe it was on Deck Screener. Yeah, we looked at SUKU. What's up, Samuel? We looked at SUKU last night and it pumped. Bitcoin billionaire says Caspa. Caspa's in a good spot. I got OG Jerry for 4 or 5 says, can you do Greg on Kronos and Mary? I appreciate the 5. Yeah, I saw you asking for something earlier. It's just, it takes so much time when we have to build these new charts and look at new things that I have no idea what they are. But yeah, I didn't do ACH earlier. He gave me a super thanks earlier. Hopefully you're still here. But ACH sitting pretty over the 382 here. As long as you're over 2.7, you are macro bullish. Nice little pump up from the same exact pattern we've been watching on everything else on ACH here. Looks good. Just be aware that when you get to the 0.5, you have the trend and the 4 penny area. It's going to be resistance here. If you break over that, then ACH is in a really good spot at that point. And then ACH, where is it going to end up? Good target to take profit. This is where a lot of people think is a 12 penny, 11 and a half, 12. That's only a 4x from here. My target on ACH, I think ACH is going to hit this 4.8 billion market cap and hit around 60 cents. So good 22.5x on ACH, but it's in a good spot now over the 382. And then once you get over the 0.5 at 4, it's in a real good spot. That's the price to beat here now that you moved up. Yeah, we got to go over here real quick. Yeah, back over to Dex Screener real quick. And like I said, we're already at that point, 2 hours in. Try to keep the streams around 2 hours. We go longer sometimes, 3 or 4 hours, but yeah, we looked at Bonk. What are we looking at? He says Greg on Kronos. Greg. I don't think we've looked at that one. This one? Is this what you're talking about? This thing's going to the moon, my man. Oh my God. Did you buy this one? Hopefully you're making money on this thing because it's bullish as hell right now. I can't even do anything with this. It's the 4-hour candles. Let me check, make sure this is the right one. Yeah, it's over the 786 if you want to go by this fib high to the no wick low at 50. If she continues to run here, which, like I said, there's no wick here. This thing's just going. Another 50% move to the new high at 81. We'll leave this here and see if it spawns in you a giant candle. Mary. Yeah, we haven't looked at Mary in a minute. Where's Mary? What happened? But yeah, I appreciate the 5. T13 says prop base again. We went over prop base. Mary. Oh, damn, the crow coins are going, huh? Are the crow coins really going? But yeah, this one looks good. It's over the 786 also. Once it breaks over 88 here, the previous high, it's off to the races. It's gone up since the last time we looked at it. 138% move up to the new high at 175. But it looks like it's about to make a higher high. But the overall chart here is just as bullish as you can get. It's not going vertical, but well, I guess it depends on what time frame you look at. It looks extremely good at the moment. Bitcoin billionaire says Caspa. Hopefully that helped OG, and hopefully you're making money. Are you on a delay? What's going on with T13? First bathroom timeout. Put you in the corner. We already went over prop base, my man. Not very long ago either. But yeah, Caspa, I don't know if you caught it, you know, whenever it was, but I didn't call the bottom, but I was saying the bottom was in on Caspa here. Really wanted to long this thing from here up, but it's looking good. High to the low, it's over the 0.5 at 14. The price to beat is 15.8 here. Once you get over 15.8, this downward move is officially over, and you can look for a new high at that point. I think once it bottomed out here like it did in the past, it goes to a new high every time. So if that's just above this one here, or it comes all the way up to 2.5, do not know, do not have a crystal ball. I lost it. But it looks good. It's over the 0.5. Once it gets over the 618, we'll see what happens here. I haven't looked at Cock Inu in a while. Oh, she moved up. She's above the previous trend. It looks good here. Right at the 0.5, getting stuck at 2.5, so that's your price to beat. You're above the trend and you're above the 382, so as long as you're over 2.0, you're in a real good spot here. Same formation, and it pumped. So 2.5 is your price to beat, and then once you get over the 618 at 3.1, it's about a 33% move. Yeah, I didn't know this one was moving. New high on this one, up to 4 zeros, 1 0, almost a 700 million market cap. It's a 4.5x. Close to $1 billion market cap from where you are now is a 5.5, almost a 6x. But yeah, she blew through that. It looks good. Oh, you guys can't. I didn't push share. Damn it. No. That was the end of the stream. We killed it. Too many buttons to push. Not the first time. But yeah, Cock Inu here. It just made a higher high from this high. That is very bullish on the overall. It had that same formation. It pumped. It's over the trend. It's over the 382. So as long as you're over that level, I know you guys couldn't see it, but you could hear it. 0.5 is the price to beat, 618, and then this is over with. And then those two potential targets up here. But yeah, Cock Inu here came back to life after coming down here. Nice run. What was the one we looked at right before it? Oh yeah, Caspa. Same thing with Caspa. Yeah, like I said, that's not the first time that's happened. It is what it is. But yeah, Caspa, every time it comes down to these lows, it goes up and it makes the new high. Slightly higher highs last time. Nice V-shaped recovery. The bottom was in down here, and it's moving up. As long as you're over 145, 158 is the price to beat, the 618. And then it's either going to come up and hit the 1272 on the shorter high low and make a higher high here, which could be possible. Or yet again, a slightly higher high. But overall, Caspa looks good here. The overall macro chart on Caspa is very bullish. The one thing that concerns me is if it does not make a higher high here. If it starts to pull back, then you have a problem. Because you can see it did wick up to the 786 here at 17.8, but ultimately it's back down. So if that was it, and you start pulling back here and you don't continue this move up off of the lower high, and then the slightly lower low off of that wick, which I did not like, that could tell us that Caspa was about to pull back a lot further than we would anticipate it to. But like I said, it remains to be seen what's going to happen. All right, yeah, 2 hours in. I think we're going to cut it there. We'll be back on tomorrow. Appreciate you guys coming in here. Check out the updates on the channel. I'll do some tomorrow. We'll see if PNG is going to be still bullish tomorrow. See if it's going to pump over 30. But yeah, hopefully, yeah, we looked at a lot of stuff. Hopefully that helped a little bit. Not financial advice, of course. I'm just checking the chat to make sure I didn't miss anything important. Isaac says a bag of GST trying to get a pump. Yeah, GST is going to pump at some point. It's still down in the dirt. This market is crazy. Yes, it is. So what is Bitcoin at? Bitcoin fallen 94. Yeah, it's to be expected though. Oh, Bitcoin dominance is at 58%. She's falling off the table. Get ready. Alt season's about to start. Once this thing drops down, time to pull out your moon suits. Maybe he was right. Maybe the Bitcoin's done and alt season's going to kick off. All right, I appreciate you guys coming in here. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Everyone hit the like button on their way out. And with all that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, everyone. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.